The 2026 Toyota Red double-decker camper is truly a marvel in modern RV design, combining luxury, innovation, and adventure into a single vehicle. At first glance, the sleek red aerodynamic body stands out against any landscape, and in snowy settings, it creates a striking visual contrast that immediately draws attention. This camper is built to impress, not just in appearance but in functionality, making it perfect for road trips, winter adventures, and off-grid explorations. The double-decker design is a game-changer in maximizing living space without increasing the vehicle footprint excessively. On the upper level, you have panoramic windows that provide breathtaking views of the surroundings while bathing the interior in natural light. These windows are not just aesthetic, they are thermally insulated to keep the cabin warm during cold winter trips. The lower level complements this with a cozy yet spacious lounge and dining area, designed with modern luxury and comfort in mind. Every curve, every line of the exterior is aerodynamically optimized to enhance driving performance while maintaining a futuristic look. Stepping inside, the camper feels like a fully equipped luxury apartment on wheels. The living area combines elegance with practicality, featuring high-end furniture, smart storage solutions, and ambient lighting that creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The interior layout is thoughtfully designed to make even long journeys comfortable, with ample space to move around without feeling cramped. On the upper deck, the sleeping area provides comfort and privacy, with modern bedding, temperature control, and subtle lighting that enhances relaxation. The kitchen in the Toyota double-decker camper is a fully functional chef's dream. It features top-of-the-line appliances, including a refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and smart storage options. The countertops are polished for durability and style, and the overall layout ensures that meal preparation is convenient, even when traveling in remote locations. The design cleverly uses every inch of space to balance luxury with practicality, so you don't have to compromise on comfort while on the road. The driver cabin deserves its own spotlight. It's a perfect blend of technology, comfort, and ergonomics. Leather seats provide support for long drives, and the digital dashboard offers intuitive controls for navigation, climate, and entertainment. The panoramic windshield gives a clear view of the road ahead and snowy landscapes alike. Toyota's engineering ensures that the camper handles both highways and rugged terrains with ease, thanks to advanced suspension systems, reinforced chassis, and a powerful engine tuned for stability and efficiency. Even the washroom reflects thoughtful design. Compact yet functional, it features modern fixtures, sleek surfaces, and ambient lighting that makes the space feel luxurious rather than utilitarian. Every surface is designed for easy cleaning and durability, which is crucial when traveling through snowy or muddy conditions. Adaptive lighting systems improve visibility in foggy or snowy conditions, and modern sensors assist with parking and maneuvering in tight spots. Interior customization is another strong point. Passengers can adjust lighting moods, seating arrangements, and temperature zones to match personal preferences. Technology integration allows control via touchscreen or mobile app, ensuring convenience at every step. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Red double-decker camper is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. Combining luxury, innovation, and adventure, it is designed for travelers who want the ultimate comfort while exploring the world. From snowy mountain roads to urban streets, its presence is commanding, and its interior comfort is unmatched. Every trip in this camper feels cinematic, whether you're capturing drone shots of the red double-decker against white snow or enjoying a cozy evening inside with soft lighting and panoramic views. Toyota has created a vehicle that seamlessly blends form, function, and futuristic design, making it the ultimate choice for luxury RV enthusiasts. For anyone looking to combine adventure, luxury, and style, the 2026 Toyota Red double-decker camper is the definitive choice. It's a perfect companion for winter expeditions, long road trips, or any journey where comfort, aesthetics, and performance matter equally. Every feature, every detail, and every curve has been designed to elevate the travel experience, making every moment on the road unforgettable.